Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video of Chem Solve. Today in this short video, we will understand that how to name the formula of an ester. So let's understand it. You know that ester has the functional group C double bond O like this, and it has a carbon chain on both sides. Moreover, an ester is being formed when a carboxylic acid react with an alcohol in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. What happens? Water is being removed and ester is being formed. So now I'm going to take different carboxylic acid and different alcohols, and we will form different ester with the help of those. So here I'm going to take ethanoic acid, CH3COOH, and here I'm going to take propyl alcohol. So that is CH3CH2CH2OH. Okay. So we will remove OH from here and H from here like this. Understood? Now, what is left? We will just join it. Till here we have removed water and we are left with CH3, C double bond O, and this whole thing. That is O, CH2, CH2, CH3. And that's how we can make an ester. Now let's take another example. I'm going to take butanoic acid. So the formula would be CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, OH. And here I'm going to take ethyl alcohol. So the formula would be CH3, CH2, OH. Now we have to do the same thing. We will remove OH from here and H from here like this. So what happens? It will make water, and whatever is left behind, it is our ester. I will just join it. CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O. This is this whole part. Now I will join it with this part. So it would be O, CH2, CH3. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.